we're diving deep into crafting the perfect daily routine to safeguard your health and well-being in 2024. Stick around as we unveil the key practices that will revolutionize your approach to self-care and elevate your quality of life. Part 1. Rise and Shine – Morning Rituals for Vitality. The way you kick off your morning sets the tone for the entire day. Begin by nourishing your body with a nutritious breakfast, rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Take a moment for gratitude or journaling to cultivate a positive mindset, and don't forget to prioritize hydration with a refreshing glass of water. Part 2. Move your body. Exercise and activity for strength. Physical activity isn't just about staying in shape. It's about honoring your body's need to move and thrive. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga flow, or a heart-pumping workout, make time for movement every day. Find activities you enjoy and make them a non-negotiable part of your routine to boost your mood, energy, and overall well-being. Part 3. Nourish your body, fueling with nutrient-rich foods. Your body is a temple, and the food you consume fuels its every function. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods packed with essential nutrients to support your health from the inside out. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats to nourish your body and fuel your day with vitality. Part 4. Rest and recharge, prioritizing sleep and stress management. In our fast-paced world, rest and relaxation often take a back seat. However, adequate sleep and stress management are crucial for optimal health and well-being. Create a calming bedtime routine, unwind with meditation or deep breathing exercises, and prioritize quality sleep to allow your body and mind to recharge fully. Part 5. Mindfulness and self-care, stress management. Dedicate time each day to activities that nourish your soul, whether it's meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude and prioritize self-care to reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being.